I look forward to being with you all in the Basque Country. I will be in San Sebastián on the 30th of May, speaking at 7 p.m. in the San Telmo Museum. I'll be sharing my life, my ideas on how, as a woman, I have defended diversity, especially biodiversity, and respected cultural diversity, which allows us to have different genders, different races, different religions, different beliefs, different knowledges, and different expressions, which makes us unique as cultures. This is our true humanity. Diversity is both the sustainability in nature and the freedom of society. It's women's knowledge of seed that has helped us save seeds. It is women's knowledge of agroecology that has helped build Navdanya as an agroecology movement and the leading force to spread organic farming in India. Women's idea of economy, that economy is for managing the household. It is not meant to destroy both our local homes, our local farms, our local kitchens, and our planetary home. And it's women's work that has sustained life. Women's knowledge that will give us climate resilience. It is time to shift from a militarized, monoculture, masculinist world to a peaceful, diverse, woman and nature-centered world. This is a common enterprise for women and men, for all cultures, for all societies. That is how we will sow the seeds of the future and our freedom to live.